Your iPhone itself will never show you your Apple ID password, but you might have it stored in various apps on your phone. So I'm going to show you 3 different apps you can check that store passwords that I have on my phone personally that I use. And if you don't find your password in any of those, at the end of this video, I'll show you how to reset your password. You don't need to know your old password to reset it to a new one with the method I'll show you. So first, let's pop into the built-in password manager that we all have on our iPhones. Just tap on search, start typing in password. You'll find it right there. Tap on it to open it. Unlock it with Face ID or your PIN code, passcode. Tap on all. And then this is all the passwords that are stored in Apple passwords on your phone. You can scroll down and search for Apple, or you can just type in Apple. It usually takes the name of the website. I do not have an Apple password in this list, so that doesn't work for me. But if I did have it here, I could tap into any one of these, and there's a little eyeball that says show the password for that, and then you can see the Apple password. So if you don't have it in your passwords app, you might have a third-party app that stores passwords. I have one called LastPass, which you can see right here. So I'm just going to open that and then search for Apple here as well. And there's my Apple. If I tap into there, I can copy the password. I can tap on view to view the password, and I can copy from there as well. And luckily I found it in this app. Hopefully you found it in a third-party app like that as well. If it's not in this app for you either, if you don't use that app, you can try Google Chrome. Let's just search for Chrome. If you're not using Google Chrome on your iPhone, then this won't work. And Google Chrome has its own password manager. You just open Google Chrome, tap on these 3 dots down here, and then scroll over till you see password manager. Tap on that. You need Face ID to unlock it. And you can search here as well. Just search for Apple, and hopefully it turns up. And there's one here. Wasn't saved though. This is a website I logged into. I didn't save to Google Chrome. So this one will not have a password associated with it. So if you didn't find the password in one of those 3 places, your next best option is to just reset your password and then not lose that one. To reset it, go to settings, go back to the main settings page, and then tap on sign in and security. And then you can tap right here, change password. And you got to enter your passcode or use Face ID. Sometimes there's a security lockout for a certain amount of time. And then you can just choose your new password, then confirm your new password, tap continue, and then that's your new Apple ID password. And after you reset your password, you should probably make sure your text messages are encrypted and not being intercepted by other people. Check out this video where I show you how to do that. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.